Welcome back. I'm changing my spark plugs because I have my tune date tomorrow in the morning. So for now, I'm just freshening them up because I know most likely they're going bad, and they were. This is very shot. Got burnt out. Anyways, switching it back out. These I change them every couple months, anyways. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and maybe the next clip you'll see is the morning time. But anyways, regardless, the car is running. The car is good. It's been down for like a month or so, or even more probably. At least now I get to drive it again. It's not a base map no more. It's just a very conservative tune right now. That's all my gauges. It's just a suckish day because I paid, a decent amount of money for less power than what I had. So until I fix those issues, I'll bring it back to the dyno, and then now I'm thinking about, before I even do that, do bigger injectors. I don't know yet, but we'll see. But this is a short video for now. So update from earlier dyno session. It didn't go great because I forgot to. The person who installed it for me forgot to put a vacuum line right here, and then we didn't put a relay to the fuel pump. So I ran out of fuel super quick because I didn't have no power to the fuel pump, like enough power to the fuel pump. So it was pretty much, waste of a dyno day pretty much. So I got all the stuff that I need to fix it. I bought it from the shop that was tuning it, and I'm gonna install it and re-dyno it. I already made a full video, kinda, of the last time I was here about 3 weeks ago, but I had some issues, so I fixed the issues. Hopefully that it's actually fixed. And now I'm back here again to get tuned. They just finished tuning this EF hatch, so I was just waiting for it to be done. Focus is not focusing. Anyways, yeah, I'm hoping for the best, because I would really suck if I came here again for no reason. Alright, so bad news. Turbo starting to give up. It stopped at 415 this time. But the issues should be fixed. I'm lying. The issues are fixed. That's why I'm back to tune. And what am I trying to say? So pretty much now my turbo's giving out. So the CX Racing Kit is about time something was to happen to it. I'm still making a tad over 400, like just a tad to be safe. But I'm making it on like a higher PSI, and the turbine just isn't efficient enough to make what I wanted to make. Off the rip, he was like, I was expecting to make like 500 today, but the turbo is just tapping out. So next time, maybe in a couple months, maybe in the next winter time or whatever, I usually do all my little building stuff in the winter because I don't need to have the car. Maybe then I'll do a little bit of a head package, a new turbo, and something else. I forgot. Whatever. Pretty much by next summer, I'll have a different setup. But for now, the CX Racing Kit is not trying to make more power anymore because of the turbo. I'm sure if I upgrade the turbo right now, I'm gonna hit over like 470, 500 easy. Oh, and injectors. That was the thing I'm looking for. I'm running out of fuel. I have E85, a whole jug of E right here. but there's no point in me putting fuel in it because I'm already running out of fuel. Well, I will run out of fuel. But anyways, I was trying to do a comparison of the Deech works with the fuel return, but I'm pretty much making borderline what I made before anyway, so there's no comparison to be made. But yep, it's been 3 weeks of it's been like a month of trying to make a video, and now the end result is okay. It's whatever. At least everything is healthy again and running. But it is what it is. And yeah. Till my next video. I have a car show on a couple days from now, so maybe I'll record that to, just to document the car show itself. But I'm not disappointed, and I'm not happy. I'm alright. The car's making enough power. It's gonna do what it needs to do. As long as the turbo don't blow up on me one day, I'll be fine. But it is what it is. Alright, peace out. I gotta go swap cars now to get my daily. Okay, so this video is all over the place, so let me explain real quick. When I first started making the video to now, to today, it's been probably 3.5 months. It's a long time, a lot of things happened in between, been busy, just came back from California, everything. So first time I went to get tuned, it was some issues with the Deech work fuel system. I needed a vacuum line and to run a relay to my fuel pump. Then I came back to get tuned, and then the turbo started giving up. This turbo started becoming less and less efficient, and pretty much I needed a lot of PSI for less power, and I was spinning on the dyno also. I believe either that or the turbo's being less efficient. Whichever the issue is, I need a new turbo. When I was in Cali last week, I ordered a new turbo. Turbo should be here soon, and hopefully that catches you guys up. All right, peace out.